Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the texture of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture. And after that, you can just press on adjustments down below and you can see that it is already on the texture option, and you can just simply swipe to the left or to the right and you will be able to adjust the texture of it. And once you are done with it, you can just simply leave, and any change that you have made there will be saved if you press on save. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.